Here is a quick video to show you how to set up your Amazon Fire TV Cube. Now you need to have an HDMI cable to connect the cube to the back of your TV, but unfortunately it doesn't come with one in the box, so if you don't have one, I've left a product link to one you can buy in the video description below. You can connect your cube directly into your router using the included Ethernet adapter if you want a faster connection. If you wish to do this, simply plug the Ethernet adapter into the micro USB port on your cube and connect the adapter to your router with an Ethernet cable, and remember to select wired in the cube's network settings. If you want your cube to control additional equipment other than your TV, and that equipment is inside a closed cabinet, then you can use this IR infrared extender cable. So you could then control with the cube equipment such as satellite box, game console, PlayStation, Xbox and more using this infrared extender cable. And all you need to do is just place this inside with your equipment inside the cabinet, and then you can still control it with the cube. After connecting your cube to your TV and switching it on, you'll be presented with this startup screen. Now we need to press play on the remote control and select our preferred language. Now we can select our network. Enter your network password and click on Connect. Now you need to sign into your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create a new one here. I already have an Amazon account, so I'm going to continue and log in. After entering your Amazon email address and password, click on Sign In. Now we get the question, save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon. Well, I'm going to click no on that one because it's optional. I don't need any parental controls at the moment, so I'm going to click on no to this screen. At this point, my TV screen decided to go blank, so I rebooted the cube by pressing the home button down on the Alexa remote for a few seconds. Now you have the option to download all the apps that you want. I decided to click on no thanks, so I can download them later. Now we have the option to enable Alexa to control our devices, so let's click on continue. So if you do have any media devices that are inside a closed cabinet, this is where you can use the IR extender, which I showed you how to use earlier in this video. Finally, our TV is set up, and we now have the option to add a soundbar or an AV receiver. Well, I don't have either of those at the moment, so I'm just going to click on continue. And here we are at the Fire TV Cube homepage. Now if you want to go into the Cube settings and make some adjustments, you can use a voice command for that instead of using the Alexa remote. Alexa, show me settings. So that's it. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please thumbs it up and subscribe for more tech reviews to come.